Alright guys, well, welcome back to the channel. Introduce yourself.
My name's Ralphie.
Instagram. What's your Instagram? What's the Instagram? We need the Instagram. Come on, man. Come on. He forgets his Instagram.
__Silva.
Alright, so we're out here today, guys, and I got the four-wheeler out here today. We got the Dodge out here. Yeah, we know. I clickbait you a little bit, but we got the four-wheeler out here today. Four-wheeler is not running too well, huh, Ralphie? How well is the four-wheeler running?
It's running pretty good.
He's insane. The reason why it's not running too good is, remember yesterday I kept saying in the video, he's gonna blow the motor, Well, I think he might have blew first gear out. What do you think, Ralphie?
Yeah, I think first gear as well.
He thinks little first gear is a little shaky because he likes to drive in first gear, and he doesn't understand. There's 5 gears or 6 gears in this bad boy. So, if you guys, is this the first time watching this video? What do they got to do, Ralphie?
Like and subscribe, share,
and
retweet, all that good
comment. Do all that good stuff, man. I mean, if you want to see stupid stuff from this guy and me and his brother-in-law, Jesus, well, you guys are missing out because we're about to give you some stupid shit. Right, Ralphie?
Yeah, I'm right.
So, stay tuned, and we got some content for you guys today. Hopefully, we don't blow the motor up on this bad boy. Ha-ha! Alright, Ralphie, hit the gas. Downshift. Alright, go upshift. So I think he might have messed up my motor, but you know what? I don't really care. This is what it's all about. If I have to buy a new four-wheeler, I gotta buy a new four-wheeler. But it's all about having fun. You know what I'm saying? It's not about crying because something broke. If the motor breaks, I'll get it fixed. Upshift! This guy is out of his mind. Hit the jump. Oh, shoot, look at him.
Yeah.
I told you what gear was I was in.
Gear 4.
The fourth, right? You ready? 1. Ready? 2. 3. Now I'm all the way down, you know what I'm saying? So I'm in neutral right now. First gear, look. You know what I'm saying? I stalled. Why? Because I let go of the clutch. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
I'm in first gear, remember? Yeah, but at the same time while I'm letting go. We can do a tutorial. Let's do a tutorial for the whole YouTube.
All right, work.
Do the whole tutorial. Okay? So this is the clutch. This is your clutch right here. These two work together. Okay? I'm in. So if you come closer. We're in front so you can see. Watch this hand. I'm gonna ease out. And I'm gonna give a little bit of gas. See how it's rolling?
Yeah.
See how I stopped it?
Yeah, with the brake.
No, it's not a brake, it's a clutch.
Oh, I think you pressed the brake too.
No, this is not a clutch. When you ease out of your clutch, you give a little bit of gas to get out of the gear. And you're going. First gear is not long. First gear is quick. I should be in second gear right away. First gear, I'm not racing. If I was gonna race, yeah, I'd run first gear all the way out. I'd run first gear all the way out, you know what I'm saying? Second gear, I'm gonna be in third gear in no time. Fourth gear, yeah, once you get up high, but if you get too fast, let go of this gas, downshift. You know what I'm saying? And ease out and then go, and slow you down. Downshifting, you don't just dump the clutch when you downshift. Ease it down. Make sure you're braking when you downshift. Like if I'm going real fast as a car right here, instead of me running into the car, I'm gonna hold my clutch in. So this is a brake. As much as you don't want this is a brake. This stops the engine from going. You know what I'm saying? When you hold the clutch in. So you use your brake and your clutch and your back brake at the same time. You want to stop real quick. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna run into my car. I'm acting like I'm running into my car.
I think there's a hill over there.
Yeah, loud and fun.
Yeah.
You should be up a higher gear. You!
He's either too high in the gear or he's too low in the gear. But he needs to figure it out. Because you hear how it sounds like he's about to die?
I don't think I can do it anymore.
Stop, stop.
Here we go, guys. The name on the top jump. How will it go? as he gained some air. He also gained some courage. I think me and Nate here need a Red Bull because they give us wings. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! You're nuts. I think.
Beautiful night here in New Mexico with the beautiful clouds. Rafiki is right there. It's about to be his turn. Look at those clouds. Clouds with the sunset. There's some content in before you start here in Lordsburg, New Mexico. We're at a private location, so if you know where we're at, mind your business, alright? Focus, 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 focus. There he is.
No, down, 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 down. First gear first. First gear first.
No. Making my four-wheeler make noise, you know it's a problem.
Give it gas. Gas.
Yeah, I think he messed the four-wheeler up, but it's alright. We gotta get it fixed, we gotta get it fixed. It is what it is.
If you subscribe to this channel, you might help me get a new one.
You know? You guys might help me get a new one if you guys subscribe to this channel. Probably get to 1,000 subscribers so I can start getting paid, so share this video if you know someone that would like this type of content. Oh yeah. A little zoomed in there, sorry. What happened? Huh? Oh, the little pebbles you got inside? Look at this clown. This guy's a clown. Clown! Before I let him ride this four-wheeler, it did not run this bad. Now it barely wants to shift out of gear. All because of this guy. Okay, well, that's how he lets it fall off. Just grab the freaking line. Turn off the GoPro.